Hello, and welcome to the quick tutorial on how to work with the web service using the web API via REST protocol. For instance, let's take any 4GL application. This application has a function that calculates the sum of two numbers. We can use it as a web service without any effort. Just compile and deploy it to the application server. And this is another 4GL application that uses web API. It starts the web service, calls the function with two arguments, 12 and 13. Displays the result and stops the web service. Important note: unless the timeout is configured, the web service never terminates. Use the following code example to configure the timeout. Let's execute the application. As you can see, we get the result of 25. The same application can be implemented using the Swagger. Either specify the URL of web service provider's Swagger file or the path of your local Swagger file, and call appropriate methods from the Swagger. This application works absolutely the same as the previous one. Build and execute the application, and we get the same result, 25. Let's take a look at another case of using the web service via web API. This is the demo application designed for currencies conversion. It gets currency rates from the web service. Exchange rates API.io. Let's execute the application. Here you can see the list of currencies that are changed instantaneously depending on the set base currency. Also, you can convert from one currency to another. The same functionality can be implemented using the Swagger. As in the previous example, import the Swagger file locally or specify the URL of the file. And call the respective methods from the Swagger. Execute the application. As you can see, the application works absolutely the same, but the methods are used from the Swagger file. By importing Swagger definitions, you eliminate the need to define the web service API in your code. As you saw from the example, you write less code and avoid typo errors. Also, when the web service API changes, the maintenance of your code becomes much easier to cope with the new API. That's all for now, thanks for watching.